Good day, everyone. Our research proposes the implementation of a rainwater harvesting system for the STE building. The purpose of this project is to address the building's high water consumption, especially for toilets, laboratories, hand washing areas, and plant maintenance. Currently, rainwater from the roof is not being collected and is simply wasted. By designing a rainwater harvesting system, the school can collect, store, and reuse rainwater for non-drinking purposes.
Nature and importance of the study. The importance of this study is to propose a rainwater harvesting system that can collect, store, and reuse rainwater for school activities such as watering plants, flushing toilets, and cleaning. This system helps reduce the use of tap water while promoting water conservation and responsible use of natural resources. Several groups can benefit from this study. First are schools and public institutions, which can reduce water consumption and operational costs. Second is the environment and ecosystems because rainwater harvesting helps conserve water resources and reduce water waste. Third are future researchers who can use this study as a reference for improving or developing similar systems. Lastly are communities with limited water resources which can apply this system to help manage their water supply.
Problem observed. The problems observed in the STE building include unpleasant odor in toilets, improper flushing, lack of water supply, low water pressure when washing hands. These issues show the need for an alternative water source, which the rainwater harvesting system aims to do.
This study aims to determine the roof catchment area of the STE building, estimate how much rainwater the roof can collect in a year, design a system that can collect rainwater for non-potable uses such as flushing toilets, watering plants, and cleaning, and reduce the consumption of water and promote water conservation.
Methodology. The research will use a simple project development method to design a rainwater harvesting system for the STE building. The environment of the study is the STE building itself, where observations will be conducted. The data sources include reliable books, research articles, and credible online sources. We will also observe the school building to identify possible rainwater collection areas.
The instruments are used in this study include materials for the system models such as pipes, filters, storage tanks, and diagrams, data collection tools such as books, research articles, and reliable online sources.
The procedure of the study includes the following steps. First, the researchers will observe the STE building to identify possible rainwater collection areas such as rooftops and gutters. Second, they will gather information from books, articles, and reliable sources. Third, they will design a basic model of the rainwater harvesting system. And next, the researchers will analyze how rainwater flows from the roof into the storage container. They will also explain how the system can reduce water waste and support water conservation. Finally, the result will be presented using diagrams, descriptions, and simple calculations.
Data analysis. We will use simple calculations to estimate the amount of rainwater that can be collected and to determine how much water waste can be reduced. The collected data will then be analyzed and interpreted to show the effectiveness of the proposed rainwater harvesting system.
Expected outputs. The study is expected to produce a design plan for the STE building rainwater harvesting system, including catchment areas, gutters, filtration, storage, and distribution, educational materials such as poster, brochures, infographics, and short presentations, a step-by-step guide for installation, operation, and maintenance for the system.
The proposed system may collect and store rainwater for non-drinking uses such as watering plants, cleaning and flushing toilets, reduce the use of tap water in the school, increase students' awareness of water conservation.
Potential impacts. This project may have several impacts, including reduced water waste and less flooding due to proper rainwater management. Economic impact. Lower water bills for the school. Social impact. Promote responsible use of resources and encourage other schools to adopt similar systems.